From the heart of the earth, through fire and forge, emerges a force that shapes our world. Every piece of metal has a journey, from raw beginnings to remarkable possibilities. It carries the power to build, to innovate, and to endure. In a world where resources are precious, even what is discarded can be reborn and transformed into something stronger. For our family, this truth was realized generations ago, long before recycling became an industry. When scrap was still seen as waste, we saw value where others saw residue. And with that vision began a journey that would one day grow into what is now the SBA Group. A legacy spanning 3 generations, built on the belief that progress and responsibility go hand in hand. Today, that legacy stands tall. A network of 22+ state-of-the-art facilities across India, powered by over 1,000 professionals and strengthened by global partnerships that drive sustainable supply chains for the automotive, industrial, and construction sectors. 3 specialized companies united by one purpose: transforming scrap into strength, innovation into impact, and ideas into resilient infrastructure, each shaping a more sustainable and circular future. The SBA Group, turning today's waste into tomorrow's wealth, transforming every alloy, every rod, every fragment into opportunity. Building a world that is sustainable. Founded in 2000, Shree Balaji Alumnicast Pvt, SBAPL, is one of India's leading aluminium recyclers and alloy manufacturers. Guided by the belief in responsible recycling, reliable supply, the company has grown from a single unit into a multi-location enterprise with 8 advanced manufacturing facilities and an annual capacity of 122,000 metric tons. By leveraging cutting-edge melting, homogenization, and alloying technologies, SBAPL delivers premium aluminium solutions engineered to meet BIS and GIS standards. From ADC 12 die casting alloys to customized industrial grades, every product embodies precision, reliability, and performance trusted by leading automotive and industrial brands. Quality is at the core of every process at SBAPL, supported by ISO 9001-2015 certified systems and TUV SUD accreditations. SBAPL upholds the highest standards of process integrity, traceability, and product reliability. Equipped with advanced testing infrastructure, SBAPL ensures that every alloy meets global benchmarks of precision and performance. Anchored in a zero-defect philosophy, here every batch undergoes 100% testing before dispatch, reinforcing our commitment to quality without compromise. It is this unwavering focus on excellence that has earned the trust of leading global automotive and industrial brands. Incorporated in 2003, SBA Metals and Steel Pvt Ltd carries forward the family's founding vision, creating value from scrap. What began as a modest family venture has grown into a professionally managed network of over 13 processing yards across India, serving leading foundries and steel makers. The company excels in sourcing, processing, and distributing automotive and industrial scrap, employing advanced sorting and cleaning techniques to ensure clean, consistent feedstock for foundries. By upholding strict standards of quality, compliance, and timely delivery, SBA Metals and Steel has become a trusted partner, providing reliable raw materials that support industrial performance, sustainability, and India's growing infrastructure needs. Committed to a greener tomorrow, the company champions metal recycling through secondary production, a vital step in reducing energy consumption, cutting automotive emissions, and advancing a low-carbon sustainable future. Established in 2011 in Kathua, Jammu and Kashmir, Shree Balaji Pigments Limited proudly manufactures premium steel under the trusted brand name Satyam TMT. With an annual capacity of 104,000 metric tons, the company produces high-strength TMT bars that form the backbone of residential, institutional, and national infrastructure projects across India. The facility integrates advanced rolling technology and automated process control systems to ensure uniform strength, superior weldability, and enhanced earthquake resistance. Every bar reflects the precision and endurance that define the Satyam TMT legacy. With stringent quality systems, advanced in-house labs, and a network of over 500 retailers and project partners, Satyam TMT continues to strengthen India's skyline, one foundation at a time. As India moves toward a circular and sustainable future, SBA Group continues to lead with purpose, expanding its reach beyond its core strengths in metals and materials into new frontiers of recycling and resource recovery. The group plans to expand into diverse sectors of materials and metals recycling, developing integrated platforms for responsible sourcing, processing, and reuse, ensuring that no resource goes to waste. Across all its businesses, the group's mission remains the same: to drive progress responsibly, uphold environmental stewardship, and build a greener tomorrow for generations to come. SBA Group knows that metal has the metal to shape the future. We firmly believe that every piece of scrap holds the potential to empower industries, foster sustainability, and build a stronger, greener, and more resilient India. SBA Group, turning waste to wealth.